Hey guys, today I have a new unboxing of some puzzles I've wanted for a really long time. This should be the Moyu Skewb, Moyu Pyraminx, and the Dayan Megaminx. So this will finish off all my WCA puzzles other than Square 1. So let's get started. Alright, so I got the box open now. Let's take a look at all this stuff. Alright, first I guess I'll do the Dayan Megaminx, then the Moyu Skewb, and then, of course, business card, and the Moyu Pyraminx. So first, I will do the Dayan Megaminx. I really wanted this for a long time just because Megaminx sort of fascinates me, and I wanted the stickerless because I don't really plan on doing competition with it, and the ridges just because I've held other Megaminxes and they're sort of hard to control, so I want to see how the ridges perform. So let's take a look at this. Alright, well, first thing I can say is this all feels really tight. I'm definitely going to have to tension this. It's super tight. It's pretty greasy too. Alright, well, it's not perfect, but, you know, it'll do. Let's check out corner cutting on this. I guess you can go about to right there. Whoops. Oh, nope. About there. About there out of the box. So it's really tight. And then reverse. Really not much at all at reverse. It can go about right there. Alright, I do like the colors, like with the stickerless, it looks really nice. I obviously cannot handle this very well. For me, it's really awkward to hold this just because I've never had a Megaminx before, I've never held one. So, I am not really too good at this. I'm definitely gonna have to tension this, but other than that, it feels pretty good. So I've never had a Skewb before, but I really wanted to get this to finish off my collection of WCA. And by what I've heard, this is the best Skewb out there. Alright. So this is actually pretty heavy. Alright, so first, the tensions. Oh my gosh. That is so loose. Look at how loose that is. It's just coming apart. But I could just take out a piece like right now. Yep. It came out 'cause it's just that loose. Now, we'll take a look at the mechanism. So here's a centerpiece, and here's a corner, and they fit together like that. Focus. Alright, so they fit together like that, and there's the ball bearings. It's very lubed up, I can tell it's pretty lubed, so let me put this back in. Alright, so we got it back together. Alright, let's check out the turning. That's pretty, focus. That's pretty loose, like I said earlier, but I don't really mind. Because when you're doing it here, you don't really notice how loose it is. And I have no clue how to solve Skewb, so I guess just, that's the finger tricks for it. Oh. The colors just standard Moyu. Compare it to here, same exact colors, as a Moyu. So far, first impressions, I think this is pretty good. Alright, so now let's look at the Pyraminx. This one I've been really wanting to get for a long time just because it seems like a lot of fun to me. Alright, so first of all, it's really, really dusty. Like, look at that. Look at how dusty that is. Well, besides that, it's really, really dry. And I need to break it in. I actually think the turning's pretty good. It's not that bad. The tips are good. Let's see if we can see the ball bearings in there. Yep. If you can see there, there's the ball bearings. Focus. Oh well. Well, you can see it there. The corners actually have them too, which I didn't know. If you can see in there, sorta. Also, out of the box, all these are very good. They definitely need some tensioning and some work, but I'm really glad I got them. So, I'll probably have reviews of these coming out soon. Until then, see y'all later.